Hello everyone, today we'll be making an electronic receipt using Microsoft Excel. Please, if you have not yet subscribed to this YouTube channel, do well to subscribe to the channel, like our videos, leave your questions on the comment section. Turn on the bell so that you will get notification for subsequent video. I'm going to go straight away to launch Microsoft Excel. So I'll come to my search bar on my Windows and I'm going to type MS Excel. Then the app will pop up. Here I click on it and wait for it to load. Okay, looking at this place now, you will see so many templates on Microsoft Excel, but we are so much interested in the blank workbook. And here are the recent documents that I have opened or that I have worked on in Microsoft Excel. So I'll click on the blank workbook and it opens. Now, as you can see, Microsoft Excel is made up of columns and rows, and the intersection between the columns and rows forms a cell. Now each of the cells have a unique name. Now each cell I click on have a unique name, and here is a name box where each of the name appear. So if I click on any particular cell, you will see the name box changing to the name of that particular cell that I select. Okay, let's go straight away to make our electronic receipt. Let's say we want to make an electronic receipt for Easy Shopping Center, where they sell things like chicken, ice cream, pizza, meat pie, and the cashier will have to like calculate how much the customer bought before the customer will pay, and we will be issued receipt. But we can prepare an electronic receipt that will automatically calculate these things for us, because Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet application. So all we need to do is to write formula for it and it will do the calculation for us. Okay, I'm going to come right here, my cell A2, and I'm going to put serial number. Let me make everything cap lock. Serial number. I'm going to come here and put product name. That is what the user is going to buy. Then I'm going to put the product price, and I'm going to put the units. How many did the user, the customer buy? Okay, I'm going to come right here and expand this so that it will be big enough to enter the name of any product. Same with price, and I think that of unit will be okay. Okay, I can come up here and merge this cell just to get the name of our supermarket. So I select all the cells from alphabet A to E, then come here and click on merge and center. Now you see I'm now having one cell. I've merged all the 6 cells into one cell. So I can click it and begin to type the name of our supermarket. We said our supermarket is going to be Easy Shopping Center. Easy Shopping Center. Okay, spell my center this way as well. Easy Shopping Center. Okay, I can format it. Let me say I can highlight it, change the font style, change the font size. I want to make it a little bit bigger. Okay, change the font size. Then I can change the color. Okay, the same thing with every other text here. I can do the same thing. Okay, so let's say we have pizza as our number one product. We have product like chicken, we sell chicken there. We have product like shawarma. We have products like let's say ice cream is another product that is being sold there. Then we have product like let's say popcorn is another product there. Okay, let's say we have this 1 2 3 4 5 products. Okay, I want to number this product. I'll just come here, click on one. I'll click on it, type one, then use my fill handler. Now if you see, when I move the mouse closer here, it's changed to a small cross. That's field handler. So I can click and drag, and it will give me 1111. All I have to do is to come here, click and choose the second option. Then it will now number it serially. So imagine I want to number products from 1 to 100. I will not have to type 1 2 3 4 to 100. All I need to do is to use my field handler, click it, drag it, then I will fill serially. Okay, let's say pizza is sold at the price of 5,000 naira. That is the price. Then chicken is sold at the price of 2,000 naira. Then shawarma is sold at the price of 1,500. Then ice cream is sold at the price of 1,500. Then popcorn is sold at the price of 500 naira. Okay, here we're going to have the unit. That is how many of how many of each of these items did our customer buy. Let's say the customer bought 5 pizza. Okay, let's say he bought five, okay, 4 chicken, he bought 4 shawarma, he bought 5 ice cream, and he also bought 5 popcorn. Okay, here I want to display my total. So I want to merge and center this particular cell, then have my total here, so that when the calculation is done, I'm going to see my total. Now I'm going to write two formulas. Now one is going to help me multiply each of this price and the unit to give me a total here. Then I'm going to sum all the total here to get the final total, which is what the user is going to pay as the price of product he or she bought. Okay, I'm going to click on this cell, and I'm going to write a formula that will multiply what is in this cell and what's in this cell. Now I can only do that by calling the cell name. Now look at this cell. The name of this cell is C3, then this one is D3. So I'm going to multiply C3 and D3 to get my total here. So I'm going to use equals to begins every formula in Microsoft Excel. Equals to, then C3 as my first cell, then multiply by D3 as my second cell. Then I close the bracket and click enter. Now it will automatically do the multiplication for me. I don't have to write formula for the remaining one. All I need to do is just to use my field handler, click and drag, and it will multiply for each of every product and their every product price and their unit. Okay, finally now I want to get the total of total. So the total amount which the user is going to pay. That means I will have to add all these cells together, or the content of all these cells together, to get my total. Now the same way I made this happen is how I'm going to make this happen too, by using the cell name. Now the cell name, calling the cell name, it will provide each value or the content of it, which will now be added. Okay, so I'm going to do equals to, this time equals to sum, then in bracket. Now I'll begin to call the name of each of the cell, then separate it by a comma. Now most times you might be scared to make a mistake. The best way to do is to just come select the cell that you want to add, and the name will automatically appear there for you. Then you press comma, select the next one, press comma, select the next one, press comma, select the next one, press comma, and this is the last one. Since this is the last one, you don't have to bring in comma again. All you need to do is to close the bracket, then you press enter. Now you see it has automatically given us the total of what the user or what the customer bought. Now that is one way of finding the sum. Now you see, if I click on the cell, you can see the formula here, right here, because this place is called the formula bar. Now if I don't want to name all these cells like this, I can just specify the range of the cell, and it will the range in between the cells, and it will still sum it and give me the same answer. Okay, let me go right away to delete this particular formula and do what I just said now. So I'm going to say equals to sum, then in bracket. Now what is the first cell? The first cell is E3. Okay, so this time I'm not going to use comma, I'm going to use column. Then I'm going to also I'm going to use column. Sorry, I didn't type this E3 again. I'm going to use column. Then I'm going to also call my last cell, which is E7. Then I'm going to close the bracket and press enter. I just specified the range, and it added from here to this place for me. So thank you for watching this video on how to make an electronic receipt using Microsoft Excel. Please do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Do well to like our videos. Do well to leave your questions on the comment section. Turn on the bell so that you can get a notification on subsequent videos about Excel or any other computer application packages. Thank you for watching.